Hi, I'm Geoff Dodd, living just south of Auckland in New Zealand, and I'm an affiliate marketer. Here's my story in affiliate marketing. I've been affiliate marketing on the internet since 1998, and I was working for an investigative detective information service, and I made several $100,000 as an internet affiliate. Traffic was easy to get then with free Google search, free traffic was flowing in from actually many search engines, and then it got a bit harder later on. Anyway, I got some software I want to give to you today, and it's a set of funnels that are self-multiplying and viral, and they keep multiplying themselves out all over the internet. Wonderful system called My Funnel Empire. I want to give it to you today for free, and it'll build a mailing list for you to do backup email marketing, as well as getting cash commissions. It's a wonderful system that you can use free, no strings attached, and I love to give it to you. We can work together maybe, and I've written a few books on Amazon. I'm onto my 11th book, but we'll talk about that later. And just go down below and find in the description your link to get your gift, absolute free, no obligation, free multi-funnels, self-multiplying funnels for viral marketing, and it's all yours in the description below. See you later.